Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your iPhone volume lower than the lowest level. So basically when you adjust your volume and you basically want to go even lower than the lowest level but you don't want to completely turn it off, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually get lower volume than the lowest level. So in order to do that, what you simply need to do is head over to your control center, and once you've done that, what you can actually do is hold down that volume slider just like this, and basically if you're right here you can see that once I click the volume up button once, it will of course go up a bit. But when I hold that down, I can actually just basically slide with my finger it even lower so that the volume is still on, but it's even lower. And that's basically how you can set the iPhone volume basically level to the lowest possible. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.